Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to use variables and what is variables and different types of function we can also going to learn in this video. So let's start. What is variable? Variable is a container which can store value. As you already know that Python is a dynamically typed language, so we do not need to declare variable before using them. A Python variable is a name given to a memory location. It is the basic unit of storage in program. For example, x equal to 5 and y equal to coding time. Here, x is holding the integer value and y is holding a string value. Okay, let's move. Second one is casting. So, suppose if you need to specify the data type of any variable, then how we can do? Simply just we have to use typecasting method. For example, x equal to str3. So, str function we use here for typecasting into string. So, output will be this. Okay, so this is a string type. Second one, y equal to int we have used for typecast for parsing, and it will convert in integer. Okay. Third one, z equal to float 3. So we are using float method to convert in float. So output will be in this. Okay, this is double type. So if sometime you need to typecast, specify the variables type, right? Then you can simply typecast. Next, type function. In Python, type function is used to get the data type of any variable. For example, here x equal to 5 and y equal to coding time, and you want to know the data type of this x. So simply just use type method here and we can pass variable here. Okay, it will return integer type. Okay. Next, case sensitive. Case sensitive means it treats uppercase and lowercase character differently. For example, small a equal to 5 and capital A equal to coding time. Here capital A will not override to small a. Okay, it will treat differently. It will create two variables. Next, assign single value to multiple variables. In Python, you can assign the same value to multiple variable in one line. For example, suppose x equal to y equal to z, and z equal to some value. We write written here coding, right? So you can see that in this way you can assign multiple variables, okay, in single line. Let's see the example. Okay, x equal to y equal to z equal to coding time. Okay, let's see the output. If you're going to print x, it will print coding time. If you're going to print y, it will also print coding time. If you're going to print z, it will also print coding time. Hope you understood. Next one is assign different values to multiple variables. In Python, you can assign values to multiple variable in one line using comma separator. Okay. For example, x comma y comma z equal to, here you can see that to comma separated we have assigned the value. Okay. If you are going to print this one x, then it will print welcome. If you're going to print y, it will print 2. If you're going to print z, it will print coding time. Okay, but make sure the number of variables matches the number of value, otherwise it will throw an error. Let's see the example how we can assign different value to multiple variables. X comma y comma z equal to welcome, use comma here, to use again comma here, coding time. Okay, press enter and let's print one by one. Print x, it will print welcome. Print y, it will print 2. Print z, it will print coding time. So guys, today you learn about the variable, what is variable and how to define the variables and how to use different function as well. Okay, hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.